All right, we are starting off with 1 bag of Simply Potatoes shredded hash browns. Go ahead and spread that on your pan, just like so. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some cooked ground sausage, and we're gonna put that right on top of those hash browns. I like to pre-cook my sausage because I don't want all that grease in our breakfast casserole. Do the same with the sausage as we did with the hash browns. Beautiful. Now this is a breakfast, so we're gonna come in with some eggs. I have 10 eggs here. You can scramble them if you'd like, but I am leaving them whole. It is just a preference thing. Just get them right in there. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my seasonings. I'm gonna start with some chopped onions. These are dried onions. And you can season this however you like. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some garlic powder. Beautiful. A little bit of paprika. I love the color the paprika adds to this dish. Ooh, yeah. Now this is just a casserole I'm throwing together with stuff I already had in my pantry. Now I'm gonna come in with some salt. You gotta have salt on your potatoes. Coming in with some pepper. Beautiful. Now, of course, we are gonna add some cheese. I'm using this medium cheddar cheese. Spread that out without breaking those eggs. Beautiful. Now our last ingredient to make this a full, complete breakfast, I have some Original Grand's Flaky Layer biscuits. Okay. Now with these biscuits, I like to use the flaky layers because I want them to be a little bit thinner. So I just separate them just like that and put them right on top of our breakfast casserole. If they are too thick, they won't cook evenly on top of our casserole. Too many liquids in there. So just split them in half like this. You can't do that with the regular biscuits. It has to be the flaky layers. Almost done here. One more biscuit we're gonna split and put it right here. Perfect. Okay, now I have my oven set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 50 minutes. All right, so this is ready. I left it in there for 50 minutes actually instead of the 40. So let's go ahead and get a slice. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. The egg is perfectly cooked. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks incredible. Look at those layers right there. Everything is cooked to perfection. All right, you guys, enjoy.